Thank you for watching the episode of Sloan's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today we are reviewing the Transforming Christmas Present that we purchased from Temu. We recommend this kit to you, but only if you are up to it for our challenge, as this is not a good beginner's project. A big thank you to all who have subscribed to our channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe to Sloan's Reviews. We're trying to reach 300 subscribers by the end of December, only 22 more to go. On a Sloan's Reviews rock scale of hardness of 1 being easy and 10 being rock hard, we give this kit an 8. The instructions were in a very nice 114-page booklet format and were a little tricky to follow at times, as it was difficult to judge where arrows were pointing to at times. But overall, the instructions were good. You might have realized that our channel doesn't typically review brand name LEGO kits, because to us that would be like reviewing whether Gordon Ramsay's cooking is any good. Of course it is. What you need to know, and the question we want to answer for you is this brick kit a LEGO quality experience? And this would be an awesome LEGO kit as it would go together easier and stay together a little better, but this kit was still plenty of fun to build, though it was quite the challenge, as like the most LEGO brick kits, the lack of precision in the bricks made some of the steps a bit tough to execute. The bricks, while LEGO compatible, lack the LEGO precision, but do pretty well with assembly. There were 2,866 pieces in the build, and I was missing one piece, a 1x1x8 white panel, instead of a 1x1x6 panel was provided. It was a cosmetic and not structural, and for the average viewer, it would be difficult to notice as it was missing. But this is the same issue I have with most of these LEGO kits. If you're missing a part, you're not going to get it back. It's very difficult to get replacement parts from these non-LEGO providers. LEGO is top-notch when it comes to missing parts. Did this stay together, or was glue needed? You can get by without glue, but in full disclosure, I did glue one area of a door that slides up so you can reach the music box switch that kept coming apart. I don't intend to take this thing back apart, so I have no issues with gluing it. The kit comes with 3 light bricks and one music box that plays We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Looking at what we liked, I liked the challenge of the build. It was really pretty huge. I liked the outside decorations, the Christmas trees, the stylized deer and Santa Claus, the candy canes and stockings. The stockings had stickers to jazz them up a little more, but to me they looked fine without them. Also, the ribbon that goes around the package also had some very large stickers you could apply to jazz them up a little bit more. And again, I thought they looked fine without it, so I did not add those. The transformation, though, is the greatest thing about this build. The gift opens up to reveal 4 little scenes, a treasure trove of presents to deliver, 2 penguins watch Santa and his reindeer whooshing by, a pretty gingerbread cabin in the woods, and finally a train circling a volcano. I don't endorse or encourage the building of train tracks around an active volcano, by the way. A light brick in the volcano gives it some glow. 2 light bricks can be found among the presents to give a little light in this Santa and elves only chamber. The music box plays We Wish You a Merry Christmas, and as it is just the right volume and is well hidden in the music box. What needs improvement? There is a little door that is accessed by pushing down on a button at the bottom of the music box. The door opens to reveal Santa surrounded by presents and comes with a little Merry Christmas ticket that you can address to someone. While fun, it's the most problematic of the build. The bricks that make up the door you raise first to get access to the button frequently wanted to come apart. This is where I employed some glue. Then inside the door where Santa there are 2 green backdrops to hide the inner workings of the cube, and this also wanted to come loose as they were not held together by much. This was so much trouble, it was probably better that if it didn't even exist. Can a beginner do and enjoy this kit? No, this was a complicated build and was a large kit. I would not recommend it to a new builder. Would we do it again? There is another kit like it that isn't holiday, and I am tempted to try it. This was very fun. Did you build one of these transforming Christmas presents? What did you think? Put your comments below. Please like and subscribe to see our latest videos. I hope this review helped you decide if you want to make one of your own transforming Christmas presents. If you're in a position to support us on Patreon, please click the link in our description. We have a camera that needs to be replaced for $3 a month. You get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 can help you decide what to love baking next.